Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make miso soup with dashi powder. First, gather your ingredients: dashi powder, miso paste, firm tofu, and green onions. Begin by preparing your dashi broth. Dissolve 1 teaspoon of dashi powder into 4 cups of hot water in a pot over medium heat. This simple step creates the foundational savory base that defines authentic miso soup. Once your dashi broth is ready, it's time to add the solid ingredients. Carefully cut your firm tofu into small, half-inch cubes. Next, thinly slice 2 green onions. These will be used as a fresh garnish later. You can also add about a 1/4 cup of dried wakame seaweed directly to the hot broth now, allowing it to rehydrate and soften, adding a lovely texture and ocean flavor. Now for the star ingredient, miso paste. It's crucial to add miso correctly to preserve its delicate flavor and beneficial probiotics. Scoop about 2 tablespoons of your preferred miso paste into a small bowl. Add a ladleful of the hot dashi broth to the miso and whisk it thoroughly until the paste is completely dissolved and smooth. This prevents clumping and ensures an even, rich flavor throughout your soup. Finally, pour the dissolved miso mixture back into the main pot of dashi broth with the tofu and wakame. Stir gently to combine everything. Heat the soup for about 2 minutes, ensuring it is warm but never allowing it to boil, as boiling can diminish the miso's flavor and nutrients. Garnish generously with your sliced green onions and serve immediately for the best taste. Also, check the description for a great book on money and other deals. Enjoy your homemade miso soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.